Over here, I would like to greet Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu to all of my students over here. I do welcome all of my students of the University of Lahore, especially the students from the civil engineering who are right now before and with me in the online lecture over there on the GIS, Geoinformatics. I'm going to tell you about the activities of the day that will be performed during this lecture. The first activity, I will take you to the recitation of the Quran. In the second activity of the day, you will learn some GIS terminologies. And in the third activity of the day, that one is the last activity of the day, where you will learn about the components of the ArcMap software. Recitation of Quran right now.
الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والفجر وليال عشر والشفع والوتر والليل إذا يسر هل في ذلك قسم لذي حجر ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بعاد إرم ذات العماد التي لم يخلق مثلها في البلاد وثمود الذين جابوا الصخر بالواد وفرعون ذي الأوتاد الذين طغوا في البلاد فأكثروا فيها الفساد فصب عليهم ربك سوط عذاب إن ربك لبالمرصاد فأما الإنسان إذا ما ابتلاه ربه فأكرمه ونعمه فيقول ربي أكرمن وأما إذا ما ابتلاه فقدر عليه رزقه فيقول ربي أهانن كلا بل لا تكرمون اليتيم ولا تحاضون على طعام المسكين وتأكلون التراث أكلا لما وتحبون المال حبا جما كلا إذا دكت الأرض دكا دكا وجاء ربك والملك صفا صفا وجيء يومئذ بجهنم كلا إذا دكت الأرض دكا دكا وجاء ربك والملك صفا صفا وجيء يومئذ بجهنم يومئذ يتذكر الإنسان يومئذ يتذكر الإنسان وأنى له الذكرى يقول يقول يا ليتني قدمت لحياتي يا ليت يقول يا ليتني يا ليتني يا ليتني قدمت لحياتي فيومئذ لا يعذب عذابه أحد ولا يوثق وثاقه أحد يا أيتها النفس المطمئنة يا أيتها النفس المطمئنة ارجعي إلى ربك ارجعي إلى ربك راضية 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 مرضية يا أيتها النفس المطمئنة ارجعي إلى ربك راضية راضية مرضية فادخلي في عبادي فادخلي في عبادي فادخلي في عبادي فادخلي في عبادي وادخلي جنتي اللهم اجعل نفوسنا اللهم اجعلنا من النفس.
Now I welcome all of you, my dear students, in the online lecture there. And the very first terminology over here is the view. How can you define the view in GIS? Right now I am taking online Mr. Wajid Ali. I do welcome Mr. Wajid Ali over there.
Yes, sir.
My dear student, there is a question written before you. That one is the definition of view in GIS. Do you know about that one? Do you know the definition of view?
No, sir.
Okay, my dear, anyone amongst you who know the definition of the view, raise your hands. Okay, Mr. Zan Ali is there. Where is Mr. Zan Ali? Just give me some time over there. Mr. Zan Ali. Yes, Mr. Zan Ali, thank you very much. Right now, I am taking you online there. You have raised your hand.
Yes, sir.
My dear Zan, tell me the definition.
It is something which show us details of some kind of features
Yes,
and other things.
I can consider your answer over there, 100%. And remarkable is there. But if can you help me or help the students in understanding the definition that is right before you going on to be displayed over there. Mr. Zainali, are you there?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
a view is a collection of themes.
Okay, can you tell me about this definition? That one is before you. You gave an idea of the definition over there.
Yes, sir.
I agree with you, but the people over there, all the listeners, all the viewers are there. How can they get understanding of the definition of the view? Can you help us and everybody there? A view is
Sir,
a
it is
collection
the
of things.
basic collection of themes. We have different kinds of themes. Like we have, if we want to show some features like ponds, rivers, and different locations. So this is collection. We can collect the data in GIS
Okay.
to show a picture and show the collection of themes.
Okay, my dear Zanali, be noted over there onto your
Yes, sir.
notebook. You have the plus points over there, Mr. Zanali. Okay,
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
many things are there that we come across in our brain, come across in our mind over there. But we are not helping to describe the ideas or things that are in our mind over there, that are going on in our minds. I got your idea. I got what you are thinking about. And I am giving you 100% marks over there for what you are
Yes, sir.
thinking. Okay, my dear? Right now, everybody, do listen me carefully, my dear. A view is a collection of themes. Okay, to get understanding of the view, you consider a view is a complete picture of anything. Okay, my dear? All right, Mr. Zainali, I'm taking you online there.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to tell you about the
Yes, sir.
view. How can you understand the view in GIS? A view represents a complete picture of anything or any geographical feature.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me
Yes,
tell
sir.
you, any geographical feature might be consisted of a number of geographical features. Okay, and let me tell you
Yes,
about
sir.
the geographical feature. Anything that occupies space on Earth that has some height or width is there, and that one is known as the geographical feature. All right, and the examples
Yes,
of the
sir.
geographical features are the rivers, ponds, lakes, mountains,
Buildings.
buildings, schools, colleges, hospitals, and many things. Houses are there, roads are there, streets are there, many things are there. What is an example of the view that might be consisted of many geographical features? And you gave an example of the theme like the geographical features. Are you getting, my dear?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting, my dear?
Yes, sir.
In a particular area, the complete picture of all the geographical features is known as the view. It is the definition of the view. Okay, give me an example of a view. Tell me, Mr.
Sir,
Zen.
we can view a building. We can
No,
view a
yeah,
building.
no. I discussed in detail, yeah. Yes, I appreciate you to be a part of the online lecture there and the question there. And right now I am taking Mr. Talha online there. I welcome you, Mr. Talha. Mr. Talha, don't touch your mic there.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting?
Okay, sir.
Acha
Okay.
beta, I did
Yes.
tell you about the definition of the view. Do tell me about the example of the view. Tell me, yeah.
सर मैंने अभी अभी ज्वाइन किया है तो मैं मतलब
Okay.
अभी ज्वाइन
Okay, my dear Mr. Umar Hasib, My dear, tell me an example of the view.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam, my dear.
The example of view is the basically sir geographical features like sir mountains, rivers, pond. Yes, to view a spatial data, sir.
That might be the mountain ranges. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Mountain ranges like
अच्छा बेटा, मैं आपको बेटा
seas,
उर्दू
river.
बात सुने बेटा, मैं आपको उर्दू में समझा देता हूँ,
Yes.
फिर आप मेरी बात
Yes,
समझेंगे। अगर कोई भी एरिया, पर्टिकुलर एरिया है जमीन के ऊपर, ठीक है, और
Yes,
उसके
sir.
ऊपर कोई ज्योग्राफिकल फीचर्स हैं, आर यू गेट इट?
Yes, sir.
और
Yes,
हम उसको कहते हैं कि वो पर्टिकुलर एरिया का जो कंप्लीट पिक्चर है, कंटेनिंग ऑल
Yes, sir.
दोज ज्योग्राफिकल फीचर्स, इज नोन एज
Yes,
द
sir.
व्यू।
Yes, sir.
समझ आइए बेटा, कोई भी पर्टिकुलर एरिया है जमीन का, उसका हम
Yes,
अगर
sir.
उसकी कंप्लीट पिक्चर लेते हैं उस एरिया की, और उसके अंदर ज्योग्राफिकल
Yes, sir.
फीचर्स हैं, उसके अंदर ज्योग्राफिकल फीचर्स हो सकते हैं कि बेटा वहाँ लेक्स हो सकती हैं, वहाँ पे हाउसेज हो सकते
Mount.
हैं, वहाँ माउंटेन हो
Yes,
सकते
sir.
हैं, वहाँ रिवर हो सकते हैं, वहाँ स्कूल्स हो सकते हैं, कॉलेजेस हो सकते हैं। और फिर इस व्यू की एग्जाम्पल क्या हो सकती है? मैंने काफी डिटेल से
Sir, like
बताया।
a सर लाइक सर यूनिवर्सिटी में सारे फीचर आ जाते हैं सर, ज्योग्राफिकल आ जाते हैं, दरख्त भी आ जाते हैं सर, बिल्डिंग्स भी आ जाती हैं, सारा कुछ है
think
यूनिवर्सिटी
some
सर।
माशाल्लाह, you think something broader than it, इससे जरा थोड़ा सा ब्रॉडर सोचें बेटा। एक मिनट बेटा, शहरोज,
ओके सर।
शहरोज बेटा।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम बेटा, आप व्यू की एग्जांपल बताएंगे बेटा?
Sir, it's defined by its definition. A view is a collection of themes. I can generally define as like a Lahore city. It consists of all the things of different themes are defined like this, na sir.
Okay, Mr. Shahroz, your answer is correct, my dear, and I congratulate
Thank you
you.
so much, sir.
I'm very happy to take you live over
Thank you,
here.
sir.
In the city of Lahore, there are a number of themes are there. Okay, all right. An example of the view is what here? City of Lahore, Washington DC, and other things. And right now, how can you define a theme in GIS? I did tell you about the theme. Mr. Shehroz,
Yes.
are you there?
Theme is defined as a specific thing like a school, a chain of school. Yes.
There is a
Yes, sir.
definition of the theme is there before you. Can you
Yes,
tell
sir.
us about that one?
A single layer of data is known as a theme of GIS. So I told you about earlier that it's based on a specific thing. If I generally define as a housing society.
Congratulations, my dear Mr. Shehroz. I'm very happy to take you live here.
Thank you, sir.
And I would like to tell you that, yes, my dear, to get understanding of a single layer of data, Mr. Shehroz added one thing over there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but if I add something to make you understand of the single layer of the data, in a single layer of data, all the data in that layer will contain the same characteristics or will be of the same type. Are you getting, my dear?
Yes, sir.
I think so.
Yes, sir.
Mashallah, you were very closer, and it is a duty of the teacher to make the students understand about the things in all the aspects. I think so. I am successfully making you understand about the view and the theme over there. An example
Yes, sir.
of the theme is what here? Houses represents a single layer of data in Lahore. Okay.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
schools represents a single layer of data in Lahore. All the hospitals in Lahore represents a single layer of data in Lahore. All the universities in Lahore represents a a single layer of data in Lahore. And a very beautiful concept in GIS, that one is the layering of data. Okay, in Lahore city is consisted of many layers of data. Right now I am going to tell you about the names of the components of the ArcMap software. The first component
Yes.
of the ArcMap software is the data view, and the second one is the layout view, and the third
Yes.
component of the
Our catalog.
ArcMap catalog, and the fourth component is what?
Search window.
Component is,
Table of content.
and the next component of the ArcMap,
Standard bar.
standard
Standard
tool,
toolbar.
basic or standard toolbar. And the next
Yes, sir.
component of the ArcMap is
Tool of toolbars.
tools of the toolbar. And the next one is what? Yeah,
Menu bar.
menu bar. And the next one is,
Title bar.
I do tell you about the title bar. The title bar consists of the name of the software that is running on. Are you getting, my dear? Mr. Omar.
Yes, sir.
Right now, I am taking all of my students there to the ArcMap software. When you will start your ArcMap software, ArcMap 10.7, look, the window will look like this. All right, my dear students.
Yes, sir.
And over here, my dear Mr. Omar Hasib, the white area that you can see and watch before you, its name is the data view.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Data view.
When you start your ArcMap software, okay, a window will be before you and a white area before you is there. The name of this white area is the data view. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
it is a time to learn about the data view. What is a data view? What do we do in the data view? Why it is being used and why it will be used over there. And I do tell you about the data view. This white area is before you. This is known as the data view, my dear students. In the data view, we create maps. We design maps. Okay, we make maps over there. All right, my dear students. Mr. Umar Hasi, मैंने आपको
Yes,
यहाँ पे
sir.
बताया है कि ये जो व्हाइट एरिया है इसको हम कहते हैं डाटा व्यू.
Data view.
बेटा
Yes,
डाटा
sir.
व्यू में हम जो है मैप्स को डिजाइन करते
मैप
हैं.
बनाते हैं. Yes, sir. डिजाइन करते हैं.
Do listen me carefully. हम मैप्स को क्रिएट करते हैं, मैप्स को डिजाइन करते हैं. And one thing is there to be noted over there onto your notebook. Do you have the notebook with you?
Yes, sir.
Write over there onto your notebook. To create a map over there in the data view, we need to create a shapefile over there. We need to create a shape file over there. First of all, once we have created a shape file over there, then we can create maps over there in the data view. Are you getting, my dear? बेटा मैं अब आपको
Yes, sir.
बताता हूँ कि डाटा व्यू के अंदर आपने मैप्स को क्रिएट करना है. मैप्स को क्रिएट करने के लिए जरूरी है कि आप सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे बेटा? आप शेप फाइल को क्रिएट करते हैं. शेप फाइल को जब आपने क्रिएट कर लिया होता है एक दफा, तो फिर आप डाटा व्यू के अंदर आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं?
Changing कर सकते.
मैप्स को डिजाइन कर सकते हैं, मैप्स को क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. तो मैप्स को क्रिएट करने के लिए जरूरी है कि आपने शेप फाइल को क्रिएट करना है. नाउ इट्स अ टाइम टू लर्न अबाउट द शेप फाइल. What sort of the shape files are there? My dear students, there are 3 types of the shape files are there. The first type of the shape file is called the point shape file. And the second type of the shape file is the polyline shape file. And the third type of the shape file is the polygon shape file. Are you getting, Mr. Umar Hazib?
Yes, sir.
अगर आपने मैप्स को क्रिएट करना है तो उसके लिए सबसे पहले जरूरी क्या है? You need to create a shapefile first of all. Then you can create your maps in the data view. All right, my dear. जी बेटा, उमर बेटा,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
बेटा मुझे ये बताएं कि डेटा व्यू क्या होता है बेटा?
सर डेटा व्यू बेसिकली सर एक स्क्रीन होती है जिसके अंदर सर हम अपना मैप को डिजाइन करते हैं।
अब मुझे ये बताएं बेटा कि मैप डिजाइन करने के लिए क्या चीज जरूरी है? अगर आप डेटा व्यू में मैप डिजाइन करना चाहते हैं, what thing is necessary to, what action that is needed to be done over there?
Yes,
आप ये
sir.
कह सकते हैं बेटा कि हमें अगर मैप्स को क्रिएट करना है तो हमारे लिए जरूरी है कि हम जो है
Yes, sir.
एक शेप फाइल को क्रिएट करें। ठीक है
Okay,
बेटा,
sir.
हम पहले शेप फाइल को क्रिएट करेंगे और शेप फाइल क्रिएट करने के बाद हम डेटा व्यू के अंदर मैप्स को डिजाइन कर सकते हैं। ठीक है,
Okay,
मैप्स
sir.
को क्रिएट
Yes,
कर
sir.
सकते हैं। और
Yes, sir.
अब अगला सवाल आपसे हो सकता है कि भाई ये शेप फाइल कितनी किस्म की हैं और उनके नाम बताएं।
Yes, sir.
बताएं।
सर जो शेप फाइल्स हैं सर वो तीन टाइप्स की होती हैं। फर्स्ट वन इज अ पॉइंट टू शेप फाइल सर, सेकंड वन इज अ पॉलीलाइन एंड थर्ड इज अ पॉलीगॉन।
थैंक यू वेरी मच। अच्छा बेटा, तमाम बच्चे मेरी बातें गौर से सुने। इंशाल्लाह कमिंग लैब्स के अंदर आप लोग इंशाल्लाह शेप फाइल्स को खुद भी क्रिएट करेंगे और इसके अंदर आप लोग काम करेंगे। आप लोगों ने एंजॉय किया होगा बहुत ज़्यादा। ठीक है बेटा, अब टाइम हमारे आज के लेक्चर का ख़त्म हुआ जाता है। इसके साथ ही आपका टीचर आपसे इजाज़त चाहता है। अल्लाह हाफिज़ बेटा,
अल्लाह हाफिज़।
इंशाल्लाह कल मुलाकात होगी। अल्लाह हाफिज़ बेटा।
ओके सर।